Hello students, as you know we are learning about the rise of small kingdom in South India during medieval period, and yesterday I told you about these three strong empires, and today we will discuss about the Cholas in detail. Cholas. In class 6 we have studied about Chalukyas who ruled over Karnataka and Palwas who ruled over Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. The beginning of medieval period saw the expansion and rise of Chola Empire, and the Chola kingdom extended from Nellore to Pudukkottai and Mysore to Madras. And if we talk about the founder ruler of Cholas, he was Vijayalaya. Means Vijayalaya founded the Chola Empire. He was very brave. He was a very good warrior. That's why he defeated the Pallava kings. But the greatest Chola ruler other than Vijayalaya was Rajaraja first. He captured Kerala and Madurai, and he also ruled for 46 years. In this picture you can see the temple. This is very beautiful temple, and the name of this temple is Rajrajeshwara temple, and this is located at Tanjore, and this temple was built by Rajaraja first, and he was succeeded by his son Rajendra Chola. It means after Rajaraja first, the throne was captured by his son, whose name was Rajendra Chola. He was also a very good warrior. That's why he expanded his territories. And then he was defeated by the Pala king, whose name was Mahipala, who ruled over Bihar and Bengal region. So, after Rajaraja, his son, whose name was Rajendra Chola, who captured the throne and ruled over this kingdom for 28 years. And the constant wars and internal conflicts led to the disintegration of Chola Empire in about 1279 CE. It means this kingdom was destroyed, or you can say this kingdom was abolished in 1279 CE, and this was absorbed in the Vijayanagar Empire. So that was about the Cholas. Tomorrow we will discuss about the Pandyas, and today you have to write any 5 sentences about the Cholas in your social science notebook.